combination of jaggery and coconut milk and matcha is my favorite. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Matcha को blame मत करो. अपनी skills को blame करो. I'm using our ceremonial matcha. क्योंकि आज है बड़ा ceremonious भी. I wish we could give you an access to our WhatsApp chats. Making matcha, selling matcha, anything matcha, I love it. You can add matcha to oats. You can add matcha to paranthas. Make rotis out of it. Then, I was shooting Sunny Sanskari, and all my co-actors, Janvi, Varun, Rohit, they all know who to come to when they need a matcha. Such a beautiful looking day.
Yes, it is.
सारा माचा खुद में डाल दी.
मेरी दिन की चौथी matcha है.
And it's amazing. It's amazing.
Thank you.
We all have loved her great performances, be it in Dangal and Badhai Ho, and now she's brewing something new. Joining us today, we have Sania Malhotra, an incredible actor and now wellness entrepreneur. Along with her, we also have, Brie Matcha's co-founder, Siddharth Shah. A very warm welcome to both of you guys.
Thank you.
So how it feels? You guys have launched a new brand. How it feels for you?
It feels amazing. It feels brilliant.
Yeah.
It feels beautiful. It feels all things good.
Great, great. So, Sania, my first question is to you that, from films to matcha cups now. So, when and how basically you got this idea of launching your own matcha brand? So, what was that, clicking moment where you think that, this is something which I can definitely dive on?
I switched to matcha a couple of years back. I fell in love with it. I fell in love with all the benefits that matcha has to offer. And I think 1.5 years back, I shared that idea with my manager, Gina. I called her up and I was like, JJ, I can't find the right kind of product for myself in the market. Why don't we source this? Why don't we collaborate with someone and get the right product? I want as many people as possible to try matcha. I honestly want everyone around me, not just around me, but the entire India to have matcha and experience the amazing benefits of it. And we were very lucky that we got Essenza, we got Sid, Dr. Kunal on board, and an amazing team which helped us find not just the right product, but to market it in a way where a lot of people who have never tried matcha would love to do it. We are with our packaging, with the product that we are offering, people will try it and would also understand how to make and how versatile our product is.
Sure.
So I think that idea kind of came to me a year and a half back, and we were very lucky to have Sid and Ascenda on board.
Great, great. So Siddharth, these days there are a lot of matcha brands which are coming in.
Sure.
So what is your plan that basically how Brie Matcha is going to stand out?
So it's really the communication and the product.
Sure.
Our product is made to last. Essenza Nutrition has always been a flag bearer of quality, a flag bearer of all the things right. So you want to keep the product extremely clean. We want to make it feel as if it is being picked up right from the field and delivered on a platter to you.
Yeah.
And that's really the idea. So we want to do it through be it our packaging, be it our communication, and obviously the product.
Okay, it looks great by the way. We
Thank
have
you.
a whole kit here. I'll just ask the team to proceed it a little closer maybe.
So this is our ceremonial blend.
Yeah.
And this is our everyday matcha. And the whole experience
Yes,
of
you
opening
must.
the matcha box is interesting. So you lift the cap up and it opens like a
Nice.
leaf or a flower.
The whole idea is so amazing.
Yeah.
It's very
And we
nice.
have our matcha pack inside. This looks like a picnic blanket to me.
Surely do.
This little thing has Brie surprises, like little goodies. We have stickers so that you can customize your own packet.
Nice.
And we also have a recipe book for people who are trying it for the first time. They can go through the recipe book and make iced matcha lattes and hot matcha lattes, whatever they prefer.
Okay. So
I would say iced. My favorite is iced.
Yeah, even I
Okay.
prefer the
Yeah.
cold one over the hot
Yeah.
ones.
Though, you know, I've seen these days people are experimenting a lot, as in it's
Yes.
not just ice and, you know, the people are experimenting. I heard like pancakes as well.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can
Yes.
add matcha to your pancakes. You can
Yeah.
add matcha to oats. You can
Yeah.
add matcha to paranthas. You make rotis out of it. Because matcha has a lot of health benefits. I would like to cover that. It has antioxidants.
Yeah.
It helps in brain function. It gives you a very focused, very calm energy.
Sure.
It has L-theanine, which is an amino acid, which makes you feel very calm, as I said earlier. And yeah, you can add it to anything that edible. You can use the everyday matcha to make
Recipes.
recipes like food items with
Yeah.
matcha.
Great. So, you know, a lot of people get confused with, I would say, green tea or coffee for that matter. So, you know, in simple words, if you could differentiate between these three for
So,
us.
matcha's base is green tea.
Yeah.
matcha का ग्रो करने का तरीका डिफरेंट है. ये शेड में होता है और ग्रीन टी शेड में ग्रो नहीं होती है.
Okay.
The vibrant green that you see in matcha looks vibrant because it's grown in a shaded this
Okay.
thing. And coffee is coffee. Coffee is
Yeah.
totally different.
It's a pure
Yes.
burst of caffeine.
But we do have a little bit of caffeine in
Yes.
Yeah,
this
it
as
has
well, right?
less caffeine than coffee. It's hydrating.
Okay.
It has, as I said, an amino acid L-theanine, which coffee doesn't have. Coffee can make you feel jittery, but if you are having matcha, that will never make you feel jittery
Jittery.
or anxious. A lot of like coffee drinkers experience that.
Yes. The anxiety.
The anxiety after
Yeah.
having the, I don't know, I used to feel that too. I think one of the reason I stopped having coffee was because I used to feel anxious.
Jittery after having.
Yeah, and a lot of
that's
people face that. I can only have coffee now if I'm mixing matcha. in my
Matcha,
coffee,
yes.
Which is called the
Okay.
dirty matcha.
Matcha.
And it just adds extra benefits to your coffee. So if you love your matcha but it makes you feel, if you love your coffee and it makes you feel anxious, you can add some matcha into it.
Okay, okay. So now I was coming to that only. That what's your personal go-to matcha recipe? Like both of you can share your.
Sure. Mine is the mango matcha latte.
Okay.
I'm in love with that. It has just the right amount of sweetness.
Sure.
And like I said before, in an iced format, it's always better. It
Yeah.
makes it-
Okay.
It's very appetizing.
It is, it's quite tasty.
That I'm gonna try. Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, it's quite good. You take a little bit of mango puree.
Yeah.
You can add a milk of your choice and top it up with matcha.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a great recipe.
It is.
Which one is yours?
Coconut matcha latte.
Oh.
I have it with coconut milk, and if I want a little bit of sweetener to it, then I add jaggery powder. So the
Okay.
combination of jaggery and coconut milk and matcha is my favorite. It's my favorite.
So given a choice, will you be preparing that for us here?
We don't have coconut milk, but I have almond milk.
So
and I
let's
can
do
make
that,
some
I
almond milk
Yes.
Yes.
latte for you. So we have our matcha whisking bowl here, which you can buy on our website.
Okay.
It comes in a cool box,
Okay.
and I'm using our ceremonial matcha. क्योंकि आज है बड़ा ceremonious day. We are meeting you.
That's lovely.
Yeah. You can
So
go
now,
ahead with the question.
yeah. So Siddharth, matcha's popularity have skyrocketed in recent days.
Oh,
You know, we
yes.
all have seen it. Like be it Twitter, Instagram, we see it. Everybody is
Yes.
having it. So you know, what do you think is driving that shift? And how are you basically planning to build not just a brand for that matter, but also a lifestyle and community around Brie Matcha?
First of all, yes, about more than 500+% surge in searches for matcha across India alone.
Yeah.
It is gaining a lot of popularity because I believe the drink is just so versatile. Like we discussed, there is various ways you can have it. You can consume it with ice, you can consume it with hot water, you can mix it with mango, which is my personal favorite,
Yeah.
and it's just an everyday drink. It doesn't, your everyday doesn't need to feel like a routine with matcha. It can be what your mood is, and I think people love it for the fact that it is vibrant,
Yeah.
it is green, it is what your mood is, and more importantly, it carries health benefits. So all of this combined makes matcha more than just an everyday drink.
Yeah.
It makes matcha a lifestyle.
Sure. So that's what your plan is. That's how you're going to place your brand somewhere, so that
Absolutely.
it's not just confined to brand, I would say, but then it becomes people's habit.
Habit.
So tapping onto that is really important, I would say.
Yes.
these days.
Yeah, and
That's-
making matcha is such a, I don't know, mindful.
Ritual.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a ritual.
Anyway,
of sorts.
it surely is. Yeah. So we'll, meanwhile you're preparing that, so I'll give you guys another question, which is that wellness trends basically come and go. We all have seen
Yes.
it happening. So now, what genius health benefits does matcha offers,
Okay.
and what convinced you basically that it's a long-term win?
Sure. So as we've been saying,
Yeah.
the antioxidant properties in matcha sometimes are almost 100 times as opposed to a green tea, which is already famous for having antioxidant properties. And over and above that, it has L-theanine that helps you focus, brings the calm in a person. Over and above that, matcha has also been proven to have gut benefits. It improves your cognitive benefits. It helps
Brain
you
function,
brain
yeah.
function and your skin. So lots of health benefits that matcha carries, and yeah, I think that's one of the added reasons for consuming matcha on an everyday basis.
Okay, so when it comes to green tea, I really want to know that which one is more beneficial, because all of this while we've been listening to that green tea is really good, and,
Yeah.
and I believe the caffeine level in green tea is less than in
Correct.
matcha. Please correct me
Yes.
if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Is it so?
So it's
it is.
green tea, matcha, and coffee
Okay.
in terms of the caffeine levels.
Okay.
But matcha is the only caffeinated drink which has naturally occurring L-theanine as well. So that's the only form of caffeine you can consume and not feel jittered by
Yeah.
it.
It really helps with brain function. It gives you a very focused energy, which no other caffeinated product
Sure.
does. So coffee में नहीं होता, green tea में नहीं होता,
Yeah.
but matcha has it.
Okay, that's great. How far we reached there?
I wanted to ask you, do you guys want honey?
Yes,
Yeah, I don't mind honey.
Okay.
What a great day, Sanya, preparing matcha for us. So Sanya,
Huh.
so how much involved are you going to be with Brie Matcha? Are we going to see more of you in, marketing, branding, and content creation?
I'm fully involved.
everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
I'm too involved in it. I'm loving it so much because
Yeah.
I am a very passion-driven person. Like I love. I don't know. I don't do anything half-heartedly.
Okay, sure.
Whether it's my films or a character that I'm doing, I dive straight into it. Like I can't do it I can't do something in which I'm not like fully feeling. Yeah, like, I'm quite passionate about matcha. I love the taste of it. I love
Sure.
how it makes me feel. तो बड़ा passion driven काम है मेरे लिए.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता that I'll take a step back and I'll let
Yeah.
everyone else do whatever they want to. वो वैसा मैं कभी करने नहीं देती. Even with my films, like I'm like, no, I want to make sure that I'm giving my 100
Yes.
200% to the character, to the films that I'm doing. Similar to this, like I think we have an amazing team. Like you should like, I wish we could give you an access to our WhatsApp chats. Yeah. We are so, all of us are so passionate about it. I
Yes.
think
Everyone.
that's very important. Like I really crave that in all the films that I do. I
Yes.
think I'm very lucky that way as an actor and now as an entrepreneur
Yeah.
that I have the right kind of people that just somehow like come together. I think that I'm very lucky that way. I attract the best people to work with. So I'm fully into it.
That's great. That's
Whether
so how
it's
you
making matcha,
Yeah.
selling matcha, anything matcha, I love it.
That's great. How are you managing your schedule with films? And I'm pretty sure you must be having a lot on your table in terms
I
of.
love it.
Okay.
I love it, but I also, I live a very balanced life.
Yeah.
That's why this product is comes very naturally to me. Like I live a very balanced lifestyle. I'm very good at balancing stuff like my personal and my professional life.
Yeah.
So I'm also doing it very well with my films and the business aspect of it. I take enough breaks. I spend enough time with my family. I keep myself grounded.
Yeah.
Just like matcha, I'm trying. I'm always calm and balanced. तो कर रही हूँ अच्छा अभी तो सही चल रहा है.
You're doing great, by the way. So, you know, we are seeing a lot of other celebrities as well who are diving into a lot of brands and, you know, so what do you think that in this space is evolving a lot, as in the celebrities who are involved in brand, they're launching their own brands. We've seen, you know, Shraddha Kapoor, if I may say that, she's very much active in Pulmonas. The way she's marketing it's obviously great.
And
So,
looks
you know,
very personal, like it looks like she's.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
that's
and I
it.
love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, now, what do you think that how much of big of a responsibility it is of putting everything together, and you know how when there is a product which you're selling and you associate yourself to that particular product, obviously it comes with a lot of responsibility. So, what is your take on that?
As I said, like if your passion lies there, then go for it. Like if you are doing it half-heartedly या कोई और आके लाके आपको आइडिया दे रहा है कि आपको ये कर लेना चाहिए,
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप उसको सस्टेन भी कर सकते हो. If you want to sustain in this, then you have to have some sort of passion
Yes,
for it.
I agree.
Yeah.
So only then you will be able to give your 100%
Sure.
the business.
So, you know, our matcha is, I think, almost ready. I'll just.
क्योंकि बात करते करते I'm not great at multitasking.
I'm so sorry for putting you at this.
No,
that
I
situation.
love it. Listen, I love making matchas, dude.
Oh yeah.
I have
worry
seen a
about
lot
me.
of your reels, Sanya.
I love doing that.
Yeah.
I keep having these matcha parties at home,
Okay.
and because I'm talking there, so I'm a full barista when I'm with my family.
Even on
and
set,
my
she was
friends.
telling me the other day.
Yeah,
even on set.
Yeah.
I was shooting Sunny Sanskari, and all my co-actors, Janvi, Varun, Rohit, they all know who to come to when they need a matcha.
Yeah.
So in between breaks, I go and make matcha for all my co-actors that I'm working with. I'm making sure that everyone tastes matcha and become a matcha drinker.
Yeah.
Do you drink matcha?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Though I'm
love
acquiring
that.
the taste, because I think it's something which you acquire.
Yeah.
Or if you're not, like, if you're blending it to the right thing which you really like is something.
Yeah, you need someone to make good
Yeah,
matcha.
you need a good
yes.
matcha guide to tell you what a good matcha is.
Okay.
Because I mean, this is a common problem that we faced.
Yeah.
People tell us that how do you get hooked onto matcha?
Yeah.
It's because you've not had the right matcha
Yeah.
yet.
Yes.
और बनाना नहीं आता.
बनाना नहीं आता.
सही अमाउंट यूज नहीं किया, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कोई भी रीजन हो सकता है.
Yes.
माचा को ब्लेम मत करो, अपनी स्किल्स को ब्लेम करो. टिश्यू पेपर आई वांट टू क्लीन द 2 सेकंड और दोस्तों.
No problem. So meanwhile, Siddharth, you know,
Anji.
for that matter, both of you come from a very different professional backgrounds.
Haan.
So what is that one unique strength or perspective each of you bring to the matcha, pre-matcha table, I would say?
I think it's just the experience that we have at Essenza Nutrition, the journey that we've been through so far, focusing on quality, on research and development, bringing traditions and combining them with science. It's just that helps us a lot in this or any other venture as well. And for me, personally, it's been Sanya's creative inputs on this entire journey have been phenomenal. I mean, you see the packaging come out alive. You see with the campaigns that we've launched, it's really been brilliant.
That's
गिर
amazing.
गया.
No
कोई
problem.
बात नहीं.
It looks nice.
It's such a beautiful looking ring.
Yes,
I
it
want to
is.
have.
सारा माचा खुद में डाल दिया.
Listen, I know the amount of matcha that I should put in yours.
Yes.
मैं अच्छा matcha बनाऊंगा. I'm a good barista.
So yes, our drinks are almost ready.
Yeah.
And Sanya herself is making, that makes it, I believe, double special.
It's brilliant. Our drinks are ready.
Yes.
Just mix it, okay?
Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
हमारी
Thank
almond
you.
milk matcha latte.
Thank you so
I'm going
much.
to put.
Okay, then let's just taste it.
ये मेरी दिन की चौथी matcha है.
And it's amazing. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Great, guys.
It's a very smooth
Yes.
flavor. This
Yeah.
is a ceremonial blend.
Okay, okay.
they have another variant which is called the everyday matcha.
Okay. And
For-
how are they like different?
So ceremonial blend comes from the first harvest of the season.
Okay.
And the everyday is a premium grade matcha which comes from more like the third and the fourth harvest of the season. So a ceremonial will always have more antioxidants, more health benefits as opposed to an everyday one. But even an everyday is far better than the other sources of caffeine
Yeah.
that are
Sure.
out there.
And you can also use the everyday matcha to cook with.
Yes.
Okay.
You can use ceremonial blend as well,
Yeah.
but everyday is better.
It's great in recipes, in food. There's a lot you can do with
Yeah.
matcha.
Yeah. People are doing a lot these days.
Yes.
Experimenting and
Yes.
stuff. All right, it was lovely talking to you,
Thank you,
Sanya
Aditi.
and Siddharth, and
Thank
this
you,
is the
Aditi.
great matcha which I just had. Thank you so much for your time. It was really nice talking to
Thank
you guys.
you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right,
Thank you for
thank
having
you.
us.